Welcome to another episode of What I Do, and I'm Zara. This video is continued in English. If you prefer to watch this video in Malayalam, please check the description box below for the link. So I hope you all are fine, and here is a vlog on BBQ night, including BBQ recipe. So for this BBQ night, we spotted out a fabulous place in Riyadh, and that is Wadi Namar. It is a best tourist place in Riyadh where you can discover the beauty of nature. Here there is a corniche and we can enjoy the lake view in this corniche. And the most attractive part of this lake view is that we can see a beautiful waterfall here. And here is an interesting factor. This mind-blowing waterfall is an artificial one. So to watch the behind scenes of this artificial waterfall, just stay connected to this video. So let's start the vlog with this BBQ recipe. We are doing the marinating process of the chicken now, and it is done in the house, and the grilling process will be done in the Wadi Namar. So for that, here we are taking 3 chickens of 900 grams each and giving small slashes like this with a knife. Now we will make masala for marination. For that, in a bowl, add 15 to 16 shallots, 1 whole garlic bulb, 2 inch-sized ginger, 1 big tomato and 4 green chilies, some coriander leaves, and 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 1 teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 4 to 5 cloves and 4 to 5 cardamom pods. Then add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 cup of olive oil, and some curry leaves, and add salt for taste. Add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and we have to grind it into a paste. Here it is a small quantity, so I am grinding it all together. If you are planning for a large quantity, you can grind it separately and then you can mix it well. So our masala paste is ready. Now we can marinate the chicken. Here this masala is made for 3 chickens, which is of 900 grams each. So if you want to marinate more chickens, you have to increase the measurement of ingredients and make the masala according to that. So now our marination is done. We have to spread the masala completely to all parts of the chicken. And the grilling process is done at Wadi Namar. And that too, we will be grilling the chicken late in the evening. So we have to keep the chicken fresh till that time. For that, I am packing it and refrigerating for 6 hours. Now the time is 4 p.m. and all our work and packing is done. So we are leaving now, and the Wadi Namar trip starts now. We are almost near to the destination. Wadi Namar is in a valley, so let's enjoy together the beauty of Wadi Namar. Here we can see continuous water channels along the sides of the road. It is really a pleasure-giving sight, and we can see there are so many visitors with their family spending their tea time along the sides of this water stream. Now let's move towards the waterfall area. This is the lake dam here, and far there we can see the waterfall. The corniche here is overlooking to the lake dam and waterfall. We can enjoy the beauty of waterfall by utilizing the seating arrangement and walkways in the corniche. The waterfall is on the other side of the lake, and here is a bridge across the lake, so let's pass through it and reach near the waterfall. Now we are near to the hill area, and you can see some circular sections there. That are the BBQ points here, and this design is mainly for the privacy of families. And now we are also settling in one of the section. I forgot to show the packed chicken. I'll show it before the sunlight is missing. And now we are keeping this aside, and before getting darker, let's visit the other places here, and especially the arrangement of this artificial waterfall. Let's go to the top of the hill and see the waterfalls arrangement from there. Now we reached at the top of the hill, so let's watch the views from here. You can see that the lake view is really amazing from this hilltop. So the origin of waterfall is from this hilltop, and here you can see the mechanism of waterfall. They are pumping the water from this lake using a motor to the top of this hill and collecting it in this way. And they are leaving the water to flow forcefully from this hill to the lake. And this is how we see a beautiful and an amazing waterfall from down. Now it's getting darker, so let's go down. So let's grill the chicken. Flip over this tray at small intervals and cook the chicken without burning. So the chicken is ready here, and please don't forget to try out this recipe and give your feedback. Now we are winding up the strip here, so I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe to this channel for more videos. I'll be coming back with a recipe video next. So thank you so much for watching and take care.